and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Government will not listen to the whims and fancies of union government. Centre should not act as boss. We will do what is in our rights. CM dares central government. Will amend Act in this session of Assembly and go ahead with CCP mayor election, says CM. Tell Babush Montserrat not to teach him democracy. Goa remembers Matani on his first death anniversary. Veterans across the state pay tribute to the man of masses. Government starts firm action against illegal sand extractors. 154 boats and 19 unloaded trucks seized. Its prudent impact. No emergency services were provided by Maharashtra administration when the passengers were fighting death at Khed. RTO team from Goa moved all the way and activated services. Prudent special report. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that the state government will not function as per the whims and fancies of the central government. He was speaking with regard to renewal of mining leases. He said that government won't permit new licenses to bars. Parrikar also mentioned that the government would consider formation of a corporation in line with Goa Government Gas Corporation, which would supply gas connection to different cities in Goa. He assured self-employment to 6,000 youth while replying to the general discussion on budget 2013-14.
I will see that Daboli remains with full expansion. आणि म्हणून आम्ही ग्रेड सेपरेटर बांधतात आमकां बांधपाची गरज नसली. दुसरी गजाल लक्षात घेवया मोपा जाता म्हणसर 5 वर्सां जातली. ह्या वर्साक केन्ना तरी शेवटी टेंडर जातले फायनली. How can you, who is the environmentalist who wants to tell me that I should not support them? What right does it have? घरा एअर कंडिशनान बसून किंवा घरा आपल्या पेन्शन घेऊन आरामान सुशेगाद रावन ताका म्हाका सांगिचें आसता तुझे पेन्शन पे करतात ते थंयचे लोक. हांव मायनीक सपोर्ट करना. सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचे ताकदीन आसा तर आमी लिस्ट सायन करपाची काय ना ती. We have powers as per constitution. We draw this power. We will keep this power on. मागीर तो केदोय व्हडलो आसूं कितलोय त्रास जावं. We have fought with Home Minister and won on that. आमकां जायतेच आमी करून घेतले लक्षात धरा. We will not take that. Central government is not our boss. They are federal government. We are state government. We are equal. In certain matters they have primacy. But in my own state government matter they don't have. या 50 कोटीच्या माध्यमांच्यान by March I will ensure that minimum 6,000 boys of Goan origin goes into their own business. आणि म्हणून हांव परत हे सांगता सोऱ्याच्या हाजेर खंय तरी मर्यादा हाडुया. येणाऱ्या दिसा भितर ही येतली गांवां बार्रां जाल्लीं आशिल्ल्यांक टच केल्या शिवाय नवीन दिवप ना अशीच ही सरकारची पॉलिसी आसतली. प्रोसेस ऑफ इनफॅक्ट वी आर कन्सिडरिंग फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एन कॉर्पोरेशन JV with gas or Goa government's gas corporation, where we will buy on wholesale gas from them and supply it to various cities. हे तकलेन आसा विषय साधारण फुडले 1-2 महिन्या भितर कारण निकते तांचे येवपाक लागला. जस्ट द गॅस इज फ्लोईंग. हांवें कितें जर तूं सरकाराचें नुकसान केलें अशें केन्नाय कोणाक दिसलें दाखोवचें म्हाका जर तूं पटलें हांव राजिनामा दिता आनी घरा वचून बसता.
Agitated Chief Minister Parrikar said that Babush Montserrat has no right to speak on democracy. He picked apart a dialogue and said a person who doesn't understand with words should be taught lessons by hitting with sleepers. Parrikar said mayor and deputy mayor election will happen only after amendment in the bill is formulated.
सगळे नगरपालिकांक बायलांक 1/3 रिजर्वेशन म्हणजे 2 दाल्ले जाल्यार तिसरी बायल जाता, परत 2 जाता परत तिसरी बायल जाता. ते रिजर्वेशन सगळं नगरपालिकांनी आहा. फक्त CCPन ना ती दुरुस्ती विधायक येवपाकूच जाय आनी ह्या विधानसभेनूच जातलें न्ही. म्हाज्या अंदाजान ह्या फुडल्या 15 दिसां भितर ते जावं येता.
बाबूस मोन्सेरात म्हाका सांगतलो हाचेर डेमोक्रेसीचेर आनी एक सांगता कोण मेयर जालो म्हणून कांय फरक पडना. भानगडी आनी इल्लिगॅलिटी करपाक दिवपाचो ना. काही लोकांक शब्दाचे मार, काही लोकांक जोत्याचेच मार कळटा.
बाबूश मुन्सारादान जी व्हडली चुकीची गजाल केल्या, जी काल तेणे स्टेटमेंट केला की आपूण 15चेर हाडटलो म्हणून, तशें आनी तेणे करचें न्हू. आमी ताका इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता की तेंचे जे काँग्रेसचे 9 जाण आमदार आहा, ते 9तले कितकेच जाण आमचे पार्टी कडेन एवरी डे येता मेळपाक की आमकां तुमी भितर घेया म्हणून.
ही चूक जी आसा ती म्हाका दिसता की तांकां विनाशकाले विपरीत बुद्धी म्हणून एक मराठीन म्हण आसा. शिशुपालाचे 100 अपराध भरत आयिल्ले आसात. आता शिशुपालाक एक शिक्षा ही जावचीच पडटली, कारण अनेक वेळार ज्या वेळार तांचे ग्रह फिरले त्या वेळार बाबूश मोन्सेराताक मनोहर पर्रीकराचेच पाय धरचे पडले. आयज म्हाका दिसता की दया माया करची न्ही. भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे 21तले 21 आमदार एक संघ आसात. 5 केले आसतले, पण ह्या 2013 तांकां ते कदापि शक्य जावचे ना. आमी आव्हान दितात, सोडात तुम्ही म्हणजे आमचे 21चे 15 करपाचे सोडात, तुम्ही 9चे 10 करून दाखयात.
No. See, I was there when Babu said that. He has not said anything of that sort. He says Parrikar is the first fellow in the CCP after having majority. He is trying to do all this gochis of all these tricks of postponing elections and in this and that. So tomorrow, it is if anything we do, that's what he says. That if anything he does, that don't blame us, because he is the guy who's starting this. And I believe we are constructive opposition, and that we will do our job constructively.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.